Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video. This is Battle Cats and I'm gonna get straight into it. Amongst all the global issues, civil wars, financial crisis, terrorism, a brand new threat appears, the Battle Cats. We found it too hard to fight back because these cats are too cute. We are powerless to their regain. We cannot stop their legion. Come to think of it, cats have already invaded the internet too. We have the best information technology systems and use them to look at cats. By the way, the developer of these battle cats were interviewed on TV. I went like this: "Why is the new weapon a cat?" And he answered, "Because I love cats." Are you serious? I just read what I've written. It's horrible, so horrible. I've forgotten how bad my writing was. My biggest mistake. Well, I don't know who I'm writing to. I remember my days as a kid. I wanted to be a major leaguer. Now I want to be a million. CEO of a social networking service. I mean, if you have money, you don't need love, right? Yes or no? No. Can you press that? Whatever the answer is, I want to tell you one thing. Sorry if you guys are missing out on the music. It's really cool. Okay. Whatever the answer is, I want to tell you the thing. The battle cats aren't so bad. They're pretty much it. That's pretty much it. Battle cats aren't so bad. That's pretty much it. Oh, sorry, I've already read that. So that. I think that might be it. Do I skip or no? I'm gonna turn on this a little down for me. Because I'm wearing a headset, guys. I'm gonna turn that down. Okay. That's it. The battle king! Yeah. Guys, you have to go through all of this. I don't know. I am 8 years old, BB. 20, I think. Play. Ooh. Oh yeah. I don't even know what I'm doing, guys, but okay. Sorry, guys, I need to speak a lot. I thought you got a place where you want to top them. Oh. Gotta go like 4 of these guys in. Okay. I have no idea what I'm doing. Tell me guys down below what I am actually doing. Can I start the screen? Oh, I can. Oh. Is that like a superpower? Oh, I got more money. I'm getting money quite fast. Very fast, actually. Let's save up for the 120. More money. So I need more money. I actually like this game. Oh guys, hit the like button if you want this to be the series, or just comment down below. Also, subscribe if you're new. I know we're on lockdown, everything, we're out of school, at least. But I'm trying to keep this up for you guys. I'm so sorry. I have more videos coming on the way, don't worry. And a series of Battle Cats. If I lose this, I don't know how this happens if I ever. Yeah! I gained 1,000 XP. Sorry guys, the treasure menu has been unlocked. Get cat treasure to it. The entrance is not when you can buy many, you fall down. Sorry guys, I might just skip skip some things, and I'm very sorry if I do. Oops. Oops. Okay. Huh? Upgrade, 1 second. Oh. Ooh, a tank cat. I like the sound. Okay, I kind of don't know what I'm doing. Oh, I have a mission. Cool. You guys, if you want to get this game, I will, there will be just type in Battle Cats. Just type in Battle Cats to the Play Store or Google Play or whatever you guys use normally. You know what I mean? That was stupid, wasn't it? Oh no, they have better cats. And I'm gonna save up, guys. Let me see what this tiny cat's like. Gonna get that 80 thing in a second. Okay. Gets me my money faster. I'm just gonna save it for another 100 because I'm gaining money so fast. I'm just gonna keep leveling up. All I need, guys, is just a lot of money. And that again. I'm just gonna keep leveling up. Okay, now I'm gonna buy some more cats. About the 51. Oh, so close, guys. Hey, bro. Save that. Oh. I should save it. Guys, I've got too much for them. Hey! Yes. I want more cats, guys. Help me out in this game, please. No, I'm not joking. I need help, kinda. I kind of need help. Sorry, guys, if you can't hear this music. It's just I have a headset on. Oh, further away. Yeah. Unless last time they're further away, but they. I'm just gonna keep upgrading this. Once again. Let's look at a tank, guys. Let's keep upgrading. This is hard. I need another tough guy. I need the tanks. Now I'll go for the upgrade. Guys, remember, comment down below if you have any help. Or, like, how I get more characters. So I'm kind of confused on that. I'm just gonna spam the little cats. Or the tough ones if I can. I'm waiting for 150. Sorry guys if I don't talk, I'm just like planning in my head what I do. And also guys, if you know the game called Brawl Stars, I just got an epic out of a mini chest. And the way I'm saying this is because I hope someone that loves Brawl Stars can hear me. Because if they can, love that. Ooh, an axe cat. I'm gonna upgrade you. I'm gonna upgrade you. And I don't have enough to upgrade you. He's a new guy, and I just upgraded him. An axe cat. Question? How did I just get him? Oh, I'm against Thailand. I really like this game. I actually don't know how long I'm gonna be. Somewhat long though. I need to get to that 200 guy. Like really fast. this guy while I'm waiting. Look at you. Good. I should get that upgrade, shouldn't I? I'll get the upgrade, then I'll get the next gun. I want to save up for 200 bucks. They've got these little men, I don't like them. My axe cat is coming out. If you think that fire button's really annoying, then tell me please. It's annoying to me. One of those tank cats. Oh wow, the axe guy taking all three of them out. Guys, like, I've gotten the axe cats. It's just doing damage. Finally, my first one. 1 second. Finally defeated actually one of them. Yep, like I said before, if you didn't hear me, then I said I might not talk much because I'm concentrating. Yep. And also, someone called in Brawl Stars Twitch Alex. If you were watching this video, which hopefully you are, please do this for me and play Brawl Stars tomorrow. Or the next day after I send this out. If you're listening, which you probably are. I just need the team out right now. Yeah, okay. Guys, after this battle, it'll be I'll finish, which is going to take me forever. To finish, really. Haven't done any damage to that. I'll stop after this battle. Okay. Well, guys, while they're doing their thing, please, guys, like, subscribe, also comment down below what you want to see from me. Oh, and thank you, Preston, for giving this idea. Thank you for doing that spy thing and telling me about it. And in that video, playing Battle Cats. Really appreciate it. Even though you don't probably even know about my channel, which hopefully you will. I'm just gonna upgrade you. Can I upgrade you one more time? Nearly. But guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Yeah, Dad's birthdays are always really nice.